So as we move on to the second nursery bed, it will be the same routine. We try to get the leaves out of the way and other stuff like dry sticks, debris, whatever insects may like to stay beneath or use for quick maneuvering to get to the peppers. So we'll try to keep all of that clean so we can see beneath all peppers. We can see between the rows and on the floor of all the peppers. So we'll be still doing our molding process. These are same 4 weeks, but as you see, they have already put on the same 4 to 5 leaves already. So what we try to do, as I said, we try to mold as often as we can, yes, to keep the roots moist. Also, when there are heavy showers, it doesn't wash away the minerals. Everything stays at the root of your peppers, so you have lovely peppers like mine. Yes, very green, lime greeny look. Yes, so you know that they're very fresh. They are not withered. They're not suffering from water dehydration. So you know they are right. Yes. And most farmers, they just intend to put the seed in the soil and leave it to grow. But no, it does take a little more techniques. You gotta be treating your plants like it's really someone. You gotta take care of them if you want nice fruits or vegetables. Yes. So you gotta treat them very nicely, get them mold. Well, with us now here at Pepper Farms, we don't use fertilizers like the others. We try to go very natural. So we gotta put in this extra work so our peppers stay nice, fresh and green, knowing that we are not using a Miracle Grow supplement or any one of those enhanced fertilizers. No, we try our best to get our peppers freshly molded, water regularly, and a lot of sunlight. So we don't have to use too much fertilizer, so our peppers are fresh, nice, and naturally hot. Yeah. So that's our secret. We're not sure about the others, but here, that's what we do. So if you can see or you look around, our peppers are fresh. Yes. So that's how we care our nurseries. We try to give them a very molded root so they'll stay fresh and warm and cool as well. So thanks for watching our video, and remember, this is our nursery version. There'll be other videos coming out soon in terms of our 6-week plans, as well our 2 months, and you'll see the 3 months crop as well, which are already being bearing fruits. So thanks for watching. Please do remember to like, share, and subscribe to our videos. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.